Okay, good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna learn a new Indian language called
हरियाणवी सिखाओगे भाई इस पे
Haryana. Okay.
ठीक है।
No, I have to say it properly.
हरियाणवी सिखाऊंगा इस पे भाई आज
That's the name of the language.
That's the language you can just say हरियाणवी
Haryanivi.
हरियाणवी
Haryanivi.
हरियाणवी
Haryanivi.
अच्छा
Okay.
तो भाई
Teach me.
हाँ, तो
Hello. How are you?
और सुना दे क्या हाल चाल
Osunarena kihinasa.
और सुना दे क्या हाल चाल
Osunare kausa.
नो और सुना दे
Osunare.
you have to like take it out from your throat और सुना दे
Osunare.
क्या हाल चाल
Kahachal.
this was good
Osunare kahachal.
भाई साहब वो तो कती भाई साहब कती देसी निकड़ी अब
No, no.
गोवा में स्वाद आ गए
Guane swadane.
नहीं गोवा में
Goa me
स्वाद आ गए
swadage.
हाँ
Goa me swadage. What does it mean?
we really had fun in Goa
Yeah.
तो भाई गोवा में आ गया स्वाद आग लग के पूछूं इस समय तो अब ये हो जाओगी भाई अपने घर आ सो
Okay, what's the next thing you teach me?
अब मैं जाऊंगी अपने घर आ अब मैं
Abu me
जाऊंगी
Jangi.
अपने घर आ
Akane me na.
अपने घर आ
Apane ke na.
नु कन्ना नहीं घरा घरा जी अच्छे आ रहे
Kara.
हाँ, अब मैं जाऊंगी अपने घर आ
Abajan me kona me. Oh, again. It's too hard.
अब मैं जाऊंगी अपने घर आ
Aba machane pakane ka na.
ठीक है बोलो
What does it mean?
नाउ आई विल गो बैक होम आफ्टर सम टाइम
Now I go back home.
बट भाई इंडिया के छोरे मेरे पाछे लग गए ना भाई गाइस दिस इज द फैक्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू जहां भी जाती है पीछे लग जाता है सो इंडिया के छोरे
Huh?
कम इन फ्रंट कम
Okay.
हियर इंडिया के छोरे
India ke chore.
मेरे पाछे लग गए ना
Mere pache na kare. What does it mean?
it means like Indian guys are always after me
Next.
नेक्स्ट उत्कर्ष घना केड़ा बालक है
What does it mean?
उत्कर्ष घना सूत्रा बालक है हाँ
What does it mean?
फर्स्ट से देन आई विल टेल यू
Okay, say again.
उत्कर्ष
Urkash.
घना सूत्रा बालक है
Kara Sutra bana rahe hain.
घना सूत्रा
It sounds like Kama Sutra.
no it's not like
I'm not gonna say this.
no it's not like
Okay.
बलगा or something yeah सूत्रा
Sutra.
बालक से
Balak se.
this was nice now you have to say this in one go उत्कर्ष घना सूत्रा बालक से
Utkash Kana Sutra Balak sai.
yeah भाई thank you
Okay, what does it mean?
thank you guys
What does it mean?
it means like उत्कर्ष you are a really smart guy yeah. दूध दही का खाना
Dona ena kana.
नहीं दूध दही का खाना सप्ताह मन दिल्ली और हरियाणा
Dona dena kana. Dokta sana Loriana.
नो नो नो
No.
दूध दही का खाना
Dona eita kana.
सप्ताह मान दिल्ली और हरियाणा
Sauta manna diru yana.
यू आर नॉट सिंग कम
Oh.
दिस साइड यार दूध दही का खाना
Tu dena kana.
सप्ताह मान दिल्ली और हरियाणा
Sata manne dori yana.
गाइस अब बताओ इससे क्या पूछा जाए समथिंग टफ मेरा जी कर रहा है मैं भैंस रख लूं
Ana jika bana besa lacha.
ना उससे कम मेरा जी कर रहा है
Mena jika re.
मैं भैंस रख लूं
Me bes brachlo. Yeah?
इट मींस लाइक आई एम फीलिंग लाइक आई शुड कीप अ बफेलो
Actual what?
I should keep a buffalo cow with me so that I can sell the milk or something. So yeah, because in Haryana mostly like it's a thing.
Because the cow is holy.
Yeah. So guys बात इसी है चुपचाप लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दियो बात इसी है
What?
बात इसी है
Bati siye.
चुपचाप लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दियो
Chuchak like, share, subscribe.
कर दियो
Kardiyo.
ना गोली चाल जाएगी
Na goli chaga hi.
गोली चाल जाएगी
Goli chaga hi.
गोली चाल जाएगी
Goli chajagi. Hey.
And now, you know, like Haryani people don't walk like this. Like generally in India, people walk like this, okay? And when we are from Haryana, we have an inbuilt attitude. We walk like this. के बात होगी चौधरी and say के बात होगी चौधरी
Kiga chogiri.
के बात होगी चौधरी
Kiba togi chori.
के बात होगी चौधरी साहब क्या दिक्कत होगी है या you have to walk like this always, okay? Like this. क्या बात होगी भाई? बनाऊंगी अंडी ना उसे बनाऊंगी अंडी
Paronggendi.
बनाऊंगी अंडी
Paronggendi.
बनाऊंगी अंडी
Paronggendi.
guys I'm telling you it's fun to be around her like now teach me few like your words like
Okay, guys. Hey Leute,
hello Jim
ich bringe jetzt mal ein bisschen Deutsch bei, ja? Biologieunterricht.
huh?
Biologieunterricht.
Biologieunterricht
Biologieunterricht.
Biologieunterricht
Richt.
Richt
Richt.
Richt
Okay.
okay
Talahun.
telefon
Ja.
yeah
Yeah.
yeah
It's a techie guy.
techie guy oh I'm a techie guy telephone okay
No, I hope not. Are you
no,
techie?
no why you saying me techie
No, I'm just teaching you cool words.
okay telephone I'm a telephone guys yeah
No, you.
I'm not okay yeah.
Are you?
no I'm not yeah huh?
Ich glaube, ich spinne.
Isla Bispina
Ich glaube, ich spinne.
Isla Espina Isla Spin
Ich glaube,
Ich glaub
ich spinne.
Espina what does this mean
I think I'm going crazy. I think I spider.
okay
Yeah.
now how can you say this in German like Utkarsh is really smart and like he's really intelligent and like he's really good looking how should I say this yeah?
Okay, Liz ist wirklich sehr schlau.
huh?
Liz ist wirklich sehr schlau.
Liz Rukli Lejao
Liz
Liz
ist wirklich
Rukli ist wirklich
sehr schlau.
sehr schlau
Liz ist wirklich sehr schlau.
Liz Rukli sehr schlau guys I'm telling you
Und
und
sehr
sehr
kreativ
kreativ
und lustig
lustig
und begabt
und begabt
und einfach super.
Passt super.
Ja.
Yeah. Oh, I'm really good at it. I'm born German, guys. You know that, right? I'm really good at it. She's a pro in Haryani, but I'm a little bit, yeah. Now I'll teach you some Hindi words, basic Hindi
Okay,
words.
okay.
यार मेरा इंडिया से जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा यार
India se
मेरा इंडिया से जाने का
मेरा इंडिया से जाने का
मन ही नहीं कर रहा
Oh, money नहीं कर रहा.
This means like I don't feel like going out from India. I want to stay
Yeah, I
here.
don't.
Yeah.
It's true. Say it's the truth.
It's the truth, guys.
No,
ये
it's the
सच्ची-
truth
ये
in
सच्चाई-
Hindi.
ये सच्ची बात है भाई. ये सच्ची बात है. इसको बेचारी का जाने का
ये
मन नहीं
सच्ची
कर
बात है
रहा.
भाई.
But इसका कुछ चक्कर है भाई, जाना पड़ेगा.
ऐसा अच्छी बात है भाई.
सच्ची बात है भाई. She's saying सच्ची बात है भाई. So भाई means referring to bros. Okay.
Oh.
Don't say them भाई. They'll get offended. They don't wanna be your भाई बनना चाह रहे हो इसके? Yeah. भाई means a slang like yeah bro what's happening. It means you are saying भाई to them. So they are.
Okay, what should I say?
गाइस मतलब क्या भाई भाई के अलावा मैं तो भाई बोलता रहता हूँ यार ये क्या बोलेगे तुम्हें जिगरियो जिगरियो
Chicario.
जिगरियो क्या हाल है
Chicario kale.
guys I'm telling you I've seen so many guys I've seen so many people in my life if my sense of humor is here right her sense of humor is here so that's why we are gelling up together otherwise like you know me right I don't vibe easily with anyone but yeah she got the vibe you know
That's
10
nice.
out of 10. Yeah, I'm impressed. Yeah. Now I'll soon go to Germany if I have some money or something. Then she'll teach me. Then she'll show me around, just like I did in India. In Germany, she'll show me around. Deal. Deal. And guys, now she's going today. She's going back to where are you going?
Bangalore.
So
Karnataka.
So she's going to Bangalore, I'll be going to, I don't know, I might go to Delhi or Bombay, let's see. So yeah, now she's going, I'm really sad. I'll see her soon, you'll also see her soon. So this might be the last vlog you're seeing her with
This
me.
is our last together vlog.
Yeah, after this, she might not be here and I might not be there where she is. So guys, this
I hope
chemistry,
you enjoyed the series.
I hope you
you
know
had
this.
fun.
You loved our chemistry. Like we had so much fun. Yeah. So guys, थोड़ा प्यार दिखा दिया करो, थोड़ा like कर दिया करो, थोड़ा subscribe कर दिया करो. You know what I'm trying to say? Like it's not like we don't love money, guys. It's like money is not the factor in our life. We crave for love.
I love money. What do you mean?
Okay.
He's lying. I love money.
She loves
It's
मैं
not
नहीं
true.
करता मैं तो जानते हो ना भाइयों का प्यार हमारा अलग है तो या तो guys money is not the factor
It is.
it's a factor a bit but we want your like happiness we want you to be
Yes.
happy
Yes.
we want you to see us and be happy in your life where you are sitting and watching us okay guys so yeah Liz is going in half an hour her friend is coming to pick her up so then she'll go then I'll figure out what should I do because in last
What should he do?
last 2-3 days it was really easy because Liz was giving me content oh Utkarsh let's do this let's do that we should make a video on this but now she'll be gone I don't know what to do but I'll still figure out
Yeah.
it's been 200 vlogs I'm doing all those things again so yeah I'll get back on track okay guys so yeah hope you enjoyed this series you want to say something to your fans because now she has more fans than me I'm telling you and like when she came here she had 3-4 videos and okay but now she's blowing up on internet because she's really pretty you know that right and Indian
Aww.
so yeah you want to say you want to address something to your fans no jigri ho ko kuch kehna chahogi jigri say jigri
Jiggity.
you want to say something to your jigris
Jiggities.
yeah
Hey Jiggities. I want to say thank you for watching my videos, but don't worry, I'm not gonna stop. I will also make videos in Bangalore. So see you later this week.
and Bangalore as well as Germany she's not done.
Mwah.
मेरी भी लोग है क्या यार अच्छा तुम मेरे भीतर ओके गाइस बाय